2018 Charger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, power driver seat, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel, overhead console. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test ratings. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.